What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Sathya Chaartist. Today is 23rd December 2023, Saturday, local time 10:42 p.m. I will be analyzing SPY for this week. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And the name is Chaartist, by the way. And don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube for the latest updates. If you're serious about the market, watch the video, watch this analysis. If you're not serious, I'm not being rude here, you can turn the video off right away. Okay, let's start the analysis. I'm going to turn on the drawings now. First things first, I'm going to go on weekly. Trend is up on all time frames, by the way. So you can check the other video out as well, the one which was posted before this one. So this is a weekly supply which is actually tested here, and inside this blue box is weekly supply. Inside this blue box, we do have a daily poor supply, not poor but daily supply right here, the top, which is actually the top. So look at where the red line is. So price is actually reacting from there only. Look here. This is the resistance for us, 474, 475 is our resistance here. Now trend is up. I'm going to show you here first of all what is happening. So there is a this look at at the bottom RSI chart as well. So basically trend is up and we are having a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence do come in uptrend, but where it is actually being formed is around 80 levels. So this could be a long-term bearish divergence. So it means price can retrace. So uh, nothing to worry about. It can gap up, gap down. I'm not a person who will try to judge or time the market. As they say, you cannot time the market, and it is for real. You cannot time the market. Now, we do have a bearish divergence here, which I've marked right at the top. And this, where it is happening, it could be a long-term bearish, intermediate to long-term bearish divergence. So yeah, now at the same time, I feel, as per my experience, price can go up and down here. It might break, go all time high, whatever, but ultimately RSI is losing momentum because it's in the very top range. Okay, and this is not right. This is just, it's going to retrace. It's in the uptrend definitely, and we have value here, and it can retrace now and go up. But for now, people who have bought options somewhere here on either side, they will ruin their positions. They will burn their capital. Okay, definitely, you cannot short just on bearish divergence, because I have explained this. Bearish divergence do come in uptrend, but where it is happening right now, it's intermediate to long term retracement. So I'm expecting price can come here, and we'll see what happens. And when price will come down here, we will see what is the selling pressure here. But now, for now, understand what can happen here is price can open. I'm going to show you. I'm going to back test as well. So what can happen here is it can gap up, stay here, gap up, then make a wick or come down. But in this whole process, whatever candles are being formed here in this range or up and down here, whatever in this particular chart now, after this candle, whatever candles are being formed, focus here on RSI, because if you do have another bearish divergence after this, that too at a lower level, that means that price is losing momentum. Mark these words. If you do have another bearish divergence in the future, uh, that means that price is definitely losing momentum, because one bearish divergence after the other means that price is basically losing momentum, and then it can go down. It might even break this, but for now we don't know. All we know is that this is a downtrend line, and RSI and price need to break it together for confirmation and go above 80 or 85 levels. It can definitely happen, but for now, um, if you're long, stay long with stops somewhere around here. And if you're short, be very, very careful, because this would be a fluke if if you get through this. Because going long is okay because you know where your stop is, but shorting, there is no point shorting the market just because it's trying to retrace. So you don't even know where to get out. So that's what the whole thing is. I'm going to show you now. Let's see. I'm going to show you here at the previous fall, which I was back testing here. See here. You see here. Look here. Bearish divergence, back to back two bearish divergence. I'm showing you right here. Data, we are not doing any patterns or anything. I'm just showing you it took a fall from here, bearish divergence 1, bearish divergence 2. So same thing can happen. Okay, but in this scenario, price started going down in this bearish divergence. Okay, so it went down because I told you one after the other, and price started losing momentum. And it's happening in the same range, 75, 80. So then it goes down and it goes down. Oh, you know, where it went, 408, 404. Okay, whatever. So same thing is happening here now, and the only difference between these two things is the second bearish divergence can fall, can be can be in process. You never know. And here, from here to here, we have another bearish divergence as well, from this top to this top, and this is how it works. Now we'll test the supply as well. Look at this, price goes into this fresh supply, and then boom, it goes down here. I am talking about this supply here. This was fresh because look at this. I'm gonna draw this line so that you understand in a better way, right? It's not just I'm trying to grasp candle at its very best. Look here. So it goes here. This is the same thing. It started losing momentum. So price goes up and down, and it starts to lose momentum right somewhere around the supply. And it did that, and then it started going down, and it went down to 408 levels. After once it's tested, then you have your way out, you break through it. But everything needs to be tested, and then on the way up, and this is how it works. And all these demands also work. We were playing these demands as well, but I was just doing a back test and showing you what can happen. Price can break through this, but RSI needs to, what can RSI do is here, let me show you. So it's here, it can go here, come back here, and then if it does this and price is making highs, get out, get out of it. Don't waste your time in this. So you don't know. The answer to this is you don't know until we see more price action. That is the beauty of price action. We need to see more price action and see what's going on. All right, so have a wonderful Christmas ahead. Enjoy with your family. Do not risk your capital. If you don't know how to read this data, don't mess up, because quick rich, there's nothing like being quick rich. You will lose your capital very badly and will regret later. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna just stop the video here, and I'm launching my other batch on 22nd of January 2024. There would be almost 20 classes, hour and a half to 2 hour classes, and registration is now open. You can let me know. You can DM me here or on X or wherever you like on any platform, and then I can get back to you. My team can get back to you. Take care. Have a wonderful week ahead. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.